Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the class studio. Today we learn 6th Standard Unit 5 A Chat with a Grasshopper Comprehension and Vocabulary. Yes, let's start. C1. Read the questions and discuss the answers. First one. What helps a grasshopper fly? The answer is two sets of wings help a grasshopper to fly. Second one. How many wings does a grasshopper have? 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10? Answer is 4 wings. Third one. How many eyes does a grasshopper have? 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9? Answer is 5 eyes. Fourth one. How long are the world's largest grasshoppers? 20 mm, 90 mm, 100 mm or 120 mm? Answer is the world's largest grasshopper is 60 to 90 millimeters long and the male is 45 to 55 millimeters long. Fifth one. Grasshopper makes a chirping sound by. Options are given there. The right answer is rubbing one of its legs along one of its wings. That is option B. Sixth one. Say true or false. A grasshopper is blind and deaf. Is that true? No, it is false. It has 5 eyes but no ears. Seventh one. Grasshoppers do not have ears, yet they can pick up vibrations. How? The answer is the antenna helps the grasshopper to pick up vibrations from the air and the ground. Let's practice words. V1. Read the lesson on grasshoppers again. Look at the words given below. Which of these words are used in the lesson? Circle them. The words are circled here: farmer, toxic, exoskeleton, strong and vibration. These words are used in the lesson. Next heading, V2. Find words from the lesson with the following meanings. A. Grain used to make flour. Which grain? Yes, that is wheat. B. Poisonous to eat or drink. Toxic. The answer is toxic. C1. An enemy. That is foe. D1. Outside skin of an animal body. That is exoskeleton. E. Two long thin parts on the heads of some insects. That is antenna. We continue to next heading. V3. Read the text and fill in the blanks using the appropriate words. First one. The two-striped grasshopper will eat plants that are dash to cattle. The answer is toxic. Second one. The grasshoppers make sounds of dash on a summer night. The answer is chip chirp. Third one. The dash organ can pick up vibrations from the air and on the ground to the grasshopper. Third one, answer is antenna. V4. Choose the correct answers from the words given in the brackets. First one, the insects that make the sounds of buzz. Bees. Here options are given, you have to choose from there and write the correct answer. Second one, the insects that irritate at night. Mosquitoes. Third one, the insects that build their own webs. Spiders. Fourth one, the insects that reform as butterflies. Caterpillars. We continue to next heading, children. V5. Collect words from the male, the female and the young ones of animals and complete the following table. One has been done for you. First one, horse, stallion, mare, foal. The animal is lion, male, lion, female, lioness, young ones called as cub. Animal is goat, male called billy goat, female nanny goat and young ones called kid. Tiger, male tiger, female tigress, young ones cub. Next animal is cock, male cock, female hen, young ones chick. Let's write. W1. Read the lesson once more. Write a short paragraph about grasshoppers in 5 to 6 sentences. A grasshopper is a farmer's friend. They live everywhere. There are 11,000 to 18,000 species of grasshoppers. They have 2 sets of wings for flying. They have 5 eyes and an antenna to escape from the enemies. They eat plants, wheat, oat, corn and barley. W2. Filling in a web diagram. Read the passage below to find out about the almost extinct white tiger. Here a paragraph is given. We have to read this paragraph and complete the web diagram given here. Okay. Wild white tigers are now very rare. They are usually located on the mainland of Southeastern Asia and in central and southern India. Those living on islands have almost disappeared. Most of them are found in zoos or wildlife sanctuaries. The white tiger is about 3 meters long and weighs approximately 180 to 258 kgs. It has blue eyes and a pink nose. It has a creamy white fur covered with red stripes. The white Bengal tiger lives in a grassy or swampy areas and forests where it can be well camouflaged. The white tigers are good swimmers but very poor climbers in spite of being slow runners. They are stealthy enough to catch any prey in their sight. White tigers are solitary animals who mostly hunt at night. Now, fill in the bubbles in the web diagram with the most important facts that you have read about the white tiger. Clues are given here. This is a web diagram. White tiger. They have creamy fur with red stripes. They are slow runners and they are good swimmers. And the white tigers are hunt at night. Next heading. Sit in pairs, discuss with your partner and write 2 sentences on how the tiger can be saved. First one, do not cut trees. That means you have to save forest. Second one, do not hunt tigers and kill tigers. S1. Ask questions to your partner about the grasshopper using the clues. One has been done for you. Example. What does a grasshopper eat? What? Eat. We have to use the word what. Like this, you have made the question tags here. First one. Where does the grasshopper live? Second one. How many eyes does the grasshopper have? S2. Collect picture cards of animals, birds or objects. This is a self-assessment. You have to collect the animal pictures or any birds pictures. S3. Sit in pairs, read the following statements and frame questions. Use the clues given in the brackets. One has been done for you. Example. My father is a teacher. You have to tag a question for this line. What is your father? What? Here used the word what. First one. This book is mine. WH word is whose. Whose book is mine? Second one. I like blue color. What? You have to use what. What color do you like? Third one. We celebrate Vana Mahotsava on June 5th. When do we celebrate Vana Mahotsava? Fourth one. Dion likes cows because they give us milk. Why does Dion like cows? Fifth one. Sachin is my favorite batsman. Who is your favorite batsman? Sixth one. Naija goes to school every day. Where does Naija go every day? Write some more instructions or slogans you know. Some slogans are written here. First one, do not pluck flowers. Second one, do not walk on the lawn. And the third one is, no parking in front of the gate. Thus the comprehension is completed, children. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.